Abunge magithie na mbere kwarira njama ya kuhagura munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ndereti irerekana igatemanio bunge-ini ya kĩbũrũri kiumia gĩũkĩte. Munini wa president ni akanitie abunge iguru ria kwagarara wendi wa muingi uria wamathurire mari na president William Ruto rungu rwa tigiti umwe. Akiaria kanitha-ini wa Methodist wa All Saints mwena wa Kinoru kaunti-ini ya Meru, munini wa president oritie abunge kwihuga marakara ma muingi uria ugeitikana matuko ya kungikinyanira ati abunge no mamuhagure.
Elections were done. President and I were elected to the joint ticket for 5 years, and that is the will of the people. Let us not fall into the temptation of overturning the will of the people through other methods, because people will not be happy when you overturn the will of the people. Let us all agree that the tenets of democracy says that you respect the will of the people because it's sovereign.
Rigathi arauga mathina ma kiuteti maria mamurigicĩirie maumanĩte na mũmbĩre wake wa kwaragia ma na kuheana ndeto cia ma iria itakoretwo igikenia andu aingi thirikari-ini.
Ile shida zote unaona nikipitia ni kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. And I did not know that many people have a problem with the truth. So nakuta watu wengi sana wako na shida na mambo ya ukweli. Sasa mimi niliumbwa namna hiyo. Mungu amenifunza na kuniongoza kuwa nikisema ukweli.
Tuombe maombi ya moto, maombi yatatembea na yeye.
Munini wa president uria witanĩirwo na iguru kumana na mathina ma kiuteti maria arahitukira oriti Akristiano kuhoera bũrũri hamwe na utongoria, akiuga mwĩhoko wake ni kuona uteti utari na kiguni na wangayũkana ũgĩteanĩrio nĩguo thirikari ihote gũkinyanĩria ciĩranĩro iria yerire muingi riria mathiũrũrũkaga na William Ruto magicaria thirikari.
We tone down on politics of division, siasa ya kumalizana, siasa ya furugu. Tufanyie watu ya Kenya kazi, kwa sababu tulichaguliwa miaka miwili peke yake na hatujafanya ile kazi ambayo wananchi wanatarajia tufanye.
Munini wa president nierega kuririkania president William Ruto kiraniro giake kuri a Kenya kiate gutire hindi agetikiria munini wake ahahithio, anyamario, anyururio kana obanirwo ni aria mararutira president wira. Kiraniro kiria president onekete kuriganirwo na gugitiganiria.
Receive our love, Deputy President.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.